Okay, so the next auction we're going to talk about, it's their logo. And the auction is Insurance Auto Auction. That's their website, IAA.com. That's what it looks like. And it's sometimes, some people have difficulty with pronunciation and confused because it's IAA, but the website is IAAI. But anyways, it's Insurance Auto Auction, so you can always Google it and you can find it. It was founded also in 1982 as Copart, but the name was originally Los Angeles Auto Salvage. They have 179 locations in US and Canada. They have 1,800 employees, but anyways, in 2019, they sold over 2.5 million vehicles, and that's a lot, guys. And the publicly traded company since 2019. So if you in stock exchange, so go ahead and you can search for that's their IAA on the stock market. There is advantages and disadvantages again, and I think the advantage is a good selection. You know, they have over 50,000 cars on any day given. It's not as much as Copart because Copart has over 200,000 cars, but it still has plenty of cars to choose from. The biggest advantage, I believe, with Insurance Auto Auction, they're more transparent. And later on, you understand what I mean by that. But they're actually more open to their customers and they're going to reveal more information about the car. And that's very important when you make decision whether to purchase the car or whether just go and look for another one. Some cars, not all of them, but they have 360 degrees photo. It's amazing because you can actually go all around the car, like as you're present there. You can go into details and I'm going to show you in a demo. It's just amazing feature. Copart doesn't have it and Insurance is killing it with that. They started doing engine video. Not every car has engine video. I do not see often of it, but they tell me they're going to have in the future, each car is going to have it. And that's going to be really, really helpful. We can see how the engine works, if it makes any noises and so on. And they start adding extra 11th picture as the key picture. And it's actually very important because even though keys not guaranteed at auctions, I'm actually going ahead of myself, but they have key picture and that's important. They have amazing iBuy Fast. It's buy it now option. They have amazing cars over the weekend. We'll go over it. And they also open to public. So if you want to purchase the car, no problem. You can register and you can purchase the car there. The disadvantages, extremely complicated search, extremely complicated online auction. You know, I talk to Insurance Auto Auction guys. I know them personally. I'm really, cheering for them because it's an excellent platform. But unfortunately, the search and online auction, it's terrible. It's really terrible. They've done improvements, but still, there's still some work to do. It could be better, because I think Copart is just, they've done such a great job. And it's so easy to use, and compared to that, Insurance Auction is a little bit complicated. So it needs some time getting used to, but you'll see what I mean. Actually, sometimes they have higher bidder fees, but they change it quite often. So I think right now, Copart and Insurance very close, okay? The only downside, they have really high late fees. We're going to talk about it in module 4, but to give you perspective right now, so if you pay late for the car at Copart, you pay $50. But if you pay late at Insurance Auto Auction, you pay 50% or 2% of the purchase of the car, whichever is greater. So if the car is $10,000, it means you pay $200. So pretty late fees. And they have actually short payment period. We'll talk about it later again in module 4, but Copart gives 3 business days. Insurance Auto Auction gives only 2. So it's including the date of purchase. So pretty much you purchase the car, you need to pay it really quickly. So, you need to pick up the car and you don't get all these extra fees involved. And I think it's time to do a short demonstration to show you kind of like look and feel what Insurance Auto Auction look like.